I know that everyone's using Google Classroom pretty effectively and probably found their own way to organize their classroom and notify their students of new assignments and whatnot. But since we did close the first grading period last week, we do still have some students that try to complete assignments that were on last grading period. So one helpful tip is you might want to put some emojis or something on here to kind of help those students know that stuff is old. And it's pretty easy to do this classwork. So if I just want to create in it, or if I wanted to go back into one of these older things on here, let's say this is an old assignment down here, I could just click on it. I could press edit, and I can just go and add a stop sign before it, emoji. So I usually use my 2-finger press and just go to where it says emojis. And if I look for emojis, you could either search for them, and I could just go this one, maybe this one, maybe this one, whatever one you like there. But if I put this on there, so I go ahead and select this, it goes in there. Now, in that case, I had November selected, so I might want to just space this over before I do that first. But when I put this on here, now when you go look at this, they might say, oh, wait, there's a stop sign. That's an assignment that's already been graded. I can't do that anymore. So this is not something necessarily you have to wait till the end of the 9 weeks. This could just be like a helpful tip saying this is now closed. So when I save this right now, you'll see that it has a stop sign, like that's an old assignment. And some teachers literally put stuff like that on all their assignments just to help their learners. Now, it's an extra step, but it does help them visually. Other teachers will maybe put something here and just write along, they'll create an assignment or a material, and they'll write like, they'll put the stop sign first or something. Again, it doesn't matter what symbol you use for me. This is your own classroom. I'm just giving a recommendation. So if I go stop, I'm clicking on it and just write a message like, please stop here. Everything below is from the first grading period. Now, obviously, you'd want to make sure you clean that up a little bit, but you get the idea. If you write something like that, maybe that'll help them stay a little bit organized. Some people create a topic, and they call it a topic like stop. And you could put an emoji right on the topic. And again, I'm just going to frequently use. There it is. And then they might just write a message again like stop first grading period, whatever. So if I add this to here and I press post for all my students, that'll obviously go in here and it's going to be at the top. I could then move this around however I want, but it gives you an idea of maybe if you have it organized by weeks or topics or whatever, you can move this wherever you need to. But it's just a little helpful thing, like giving students visually. I know some of you use emojis all the time in your classroom just to kind of help them. Maybe you color code things with like green for do this, and yellow means it's almost ready to be done, and red is stop. Like it really doesn't matter to me. I'm just trying to give you one helpful tip that some teachers are using to kind of organize their Google Classrooms.